that thing sounds good for a flat wall.
Yeah, for a flat wall.
That's good bandwidth, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
You fit a lot in one area. Did you do all of this? This looks good, man.
Yeah, I actually did it myself.
Wow.
There you see.
That's awesome.
It was a lot to cram in one spot.
Yeah.
But I didn't have the space on the inside.
I like the layout of how you mounted the amps.
Yeah,
Yeah, it works. How much lithium is that?
So that's 112 SPIM.
Okay.
112 amp.
That's crazy. Man, technology's improving the size footprint space.
It is.
Wow, awesome. Go see what's in here. C-pillar. Okay. Ooh. Wow. All right. Yeah. Come in with. Okay. So what's your name and what's in here, man? Go for it.
So my name is Jay. I'm with Loud Pack AML Customers.
It's tuned to 8,999 hertz.
We have 4 Avatar 15 STUs on 2 Tar Amp 12Ks.
Okay.
I have 4 10s in each door, 2 10s in each door, 2 8s in each door, a couple of tweeters, couple of horns.
And this C-pillar wall, do you have seats that you can put in it if you wanted?
Yes, I actually made bucket seats. I just took them out for this right here.
Okay, awesome. Wow. And I know this is going to be a stupid random question, but what is this going around the subs?
So that's actually a LED.
Oh,
so
okay.
just turn that on and make everything bright.
Got it, okay. Sweet. Do you know cubic space tuning, SPL?
So we have 28 cubes. Tuned at 34 hertz, 3.4 cubes per sub.
Okay. Nice. All right.
So I had to shrink the box a little bit.
Yeah. And you still have your headline, or you haven't done any work up here?
No, haven't done any work. Have a lot of sound down out there. That's about it. Haven't got rid of the sunroof just yet.
Okay.
So I wanted to make sure I kept all 4, seats in here.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You gotta give them something to say. Like what?
Any SPL burp tests out of it?
So no, haven't done anything like that.
Okay. Got it. Awesome. Do you remember, I kind of forget the sub, what is the RMS on these subs?
So it is 3,000 RMS.
Okay, so you're giving them all the juice?
Yeah, actually I got 2 subs ran together at 2 ohms to each amp. The amp is 1 ohm stable, so I'm
so you're not even giving it all?
I'm not giving it a lot.
So you're not running it half or one?
No.
Oh, okay, so you're actually half out. Okay.
Yeah, half out.
Oh, that makes sense then, okay. Awesome. Snow
is the name of the truck. I'm Jay.
All right, Joe. And Jay. Better with the door open?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. yeah. Hey, guess what though? That's how you flex, bitch. On the ground, I got hit my car. So from the back, look down, my friend, and say this. She jump up in this bitch, I'm gon' fuck up her lipstick. Fuck up her lipstick. Some bad bitches love the kid. Wanna fuck the kid, run guns for the kid. Before she got out of the car, what you doing? She had to fix her lip gloss. Happy as they shine in the dark. Nighttime, water gelato and spark. Straight left on the water. I let the cover the stars. A movie of my life story. I wanna try to sell at the stars. That nigga rich out of mine. So from the back, look down, my friend, and say this. Fuck up her lipstick. Some bad bitches love the kid, wanna fuck the kid, run plus for the cash. Before she got out of the car, what you doing? She had to fix her lip gloss. Happy as they shine in the dark. Nighttime, water gelato and spark. Streets left me with no heart. I said the cover the stars. A movie of my life story. I wanna sell at the stars. That nigga rich out of mine. Let the cover the stars. A movie of my life story. I wanna sell at the stars. That nigga rich out of mine. Stupid. My bitch, she the shit out of mine. So strong. I can drive my drop top and not get wet in the rain.
That one had a good bandwidth range and everything.
Yeah, it does.
Awesome. Man, that thing sounds good for a flat wall.
Yeah, for a flat
That's
wall.
good bandwidth, man. I like it.
So I wanted to make sure I kept all four, seats in here.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Appreciate the demo, man. Your
Yes,
name?
sir. Jay.
Jay.
Yes, sir.
And Snow.
Snow is the name of the truck. I'm Jay.
All right, Jay. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That was awesome.